Okay then guys, so what I've done is I've created an AI prompt that basically allows you to create your own sustainability page. It actually creates the text for you. Simply fill in your details where you see the brackets and run the prompt and see what it comes up with.
Have you ever felt that you're doing great things for the planet, but your customers just aren't getting that message? You're not alone. Today we're tackling a game changer for your Shopify store. We're creating a sustainability page that not only showcases your eco efforts, but actually attracts buyers. So stick around because this could actually increase your customer base. Now here's the thing, many new store owners struggle to effectively communicate their sustainability initiatives. You might be using eco-friendly packaging or sourcing ethical materials, but if your customers don't know about it, you're missing out on a major selling point. This lack of clear communication can lead to lower conversion rates and missed opportunities to connect with environmentally conscious shoppers. It's kind of like having a superpower and yet keeping it quiet. The solution? A well-crafted sustainability page on your Shopify store. So would you like to know how to build one of these pages? Let's take a look.
Okay then guys, so what I've done is I've created an AI prompt that basically allows you to create your own sustainability page. It actually creates the text for you. Simply fill in your details where you see the brackets and run the prompt and see what it comes up with. So here you go guys, here's the text that the AI prompt has created. It's got all the headers and it's used all your information to create and craft this great sustainability page. We've got our goals, our impact so far, why sustainability matters to us, your purchase our planet, transparency and future plans, join us to make a difference, social proof, so obviously it will take in the testimonials that you've added into the placeholder, obviously some additional elements like contact us, and it also gives you a guide for store owners as well, so it gives you extra details on what you can do once you've actually created your text. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll leave this in the description of the video for you.
Now this isn't just a boring about us page. It's a powerful tool that can showcase your brand's values, build trust with your customers, and even justify premium pricing. The best part? You don't need to be a Fortune 500 company to create an impactful sustainability page. So let's break this down in simple steps. The first thing you need to do is you need to start with an audit. List out all of the current sustainability practices, no matter how small, using recycled packaging, write it down. Energy efficient shipping, that counts too. And then you want to set out some really clear goals. What do you want to achieve in the next year? Maybe it's reducing plastic use by 50% or going carbon neutral. Be specific and be realistic. Now, of course, you can use data for this, but just ensure you keep it simple. If you've reduced waste by 30%, say so, but don't overwhelm with really complex stats. The next thing you want to do is really tell your brand story. Share why sustainability matters to your brand. Did a beach cleanup inspire you? Let customers actually know. Next, you want to use visuals because a picture is worth 1,000 words. Show eco-friendly packaging or behind the scenes of your sustainable practices. Then you want to include your customer impact. Let buyers know how their purchase contributes to your initiatives. Every purchase that plants a tree is really powerful stuff. And then lastly, you want to be transparent. If you're just starting your sustainability journey, that's okay. Just share your current efforts and future plans. Just remember, authenticity is key. It's actually better to be honest about small steps instead of exaggerating your impact. Do you want to dive deeper into pages that can really impact your store? Check out our comprehensive guide on adding custom pages to your site. It's packed with tips to make your store stand out, including more on sustainability pages. The link is in the description. And there you have it guys, a sustainability page isn't just a nice to have, it's a powerful tool to attract conscious customers and boost your sales. Start small, be authentic, and see your sales soar. And I'm actually curious, have you actually done this before? Have you actually used sustainability marketing materials in your store before? If you have, please leave a comment down below and also a link to your page. I'd love to see that. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.